Martin's Music Collection 2016.
Is that a good volume? Hope it is. Let's cut the great music and we will...
A chance of light snow in the evening, then light snow after midnight. Snow accumulation of 1 to 2 inches. Lows in the upper 20s. East wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of snow 80%. Tuesday, blustery. Snow. Sun blowing and drifting snow in the afternoon. Snow may be heavy at times. Snow accumulation around 6 inches. Highs in the middle 30s. Northeast wind 10 to 15 miles an hour, increasing to 15 to 25 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of snow near 100%. Tuesday night, blustery.
100%, that's fine.
Snow in the evening. Freezing drizzle also possible in the evening, then light snow after midnight. Sun blowing and drifting snow. Snow accumulation of 3 to 4 inches. Minor icing possible. Lows in the lower 20s. North wind 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts to around 35 miles an hour.
This weather radio is terrible. It always cuts out.
A chance of flurries in the morning. Highs in the lower 30s. Northwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the middle teens. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the middle 30s. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper teens. Friday through Saturday night, blustery. Partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Lows in the upper teens. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 30s. Sunday night, not as cold. Snow showers likely. Lows in the upper 20s. Chance of snow 60%. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers and snow showers. Highs in the lower 40s. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for the following, the central and southern bay of Green Bay. Gale watch in effect from Tuesday evening through Wednesday morning. Tonight, southeast wind 5 to 10 knots backing east in the late evening and overnight. A chance of light snow in the evening, then light snow after midnight. Tuesday, northeast wind 15 to 25 knots. Snow. Tuesday night, north wind to 30 knots. Gusts to 35 knots. Areas are blowing snow. Snow. Wednesday, northwest wind 15 to 25 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots early in the afternoon. A chance of flurries in the morning. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for the following, Lake Michigan from Rock Island Passage to Sheboygan. Small craft advisory in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday evening. Gale watch in effect from Tuesday evening.
Okay, I'm going to turn that off right now. So, the winter storm warning, let me look it up here, the National Weather Service, that goes into effect, tonight at 1 a.m. in the morning. So, we are expecting 6 to 12 inches of snow, which is technically a lot, because we haven't had that much this year. Currently at the airport, they are experiencing light snow with a temperature of 34 degrees. And it was actually snowing, but I tried to upload a video about it. It just wouldn't upload, so guess what happens. Saying as a foot is actually 11 inches actually now. And we were saying a foot earlier. That's a lot from the weather service. Now they're saying 11 inches of snow, which really isn't that much of a difference when you think about it. Some very strong winds with this system. Let me read out some things with the winter storm warning. This is what it says. Major late season winter storm headed for the area. Low pressure developing over eastern Colorado this evening. Will track to southeast Kansas by morning, then turn northeast and track to Chicago near by late Tuesday. This track favors heavy snow across most of central and northeast Wisconsin. Northeast winds will increase as the low approaches. This will result in some blowing and drifting snow, especially in east central Wisconsin. Snow from the storm will diminish from west to east late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, but north winds behind the departing storm are likely to slow efforts to clear the roads of snow. So then they put that in there. This is the second part. Winter storm warning in effect from 1 a.m. Tuesday to 9 a.m. Wednesday. Heavy snow expected until accumulations of 7 to 11 inches are expected. Where portions of central, east central, and northeast Wisconsin. From 1 a.m. Tuesday to 9 a.m. Central Time Wednesday. Plan on difficult travel conditions, including during the morning and evening commute on Tuesday. The evening commute will be particularly difficult. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles an hour will cause some blowing and drifting of the snow. And then we have the hazardous weather outlook. Same thing, saying that the winter storm is possible. Well, I could move the camera and show models. I don't know if you guys want that. I mean, I will. So, I'm gonna do that. I have to get it up. So yeah, we do have that going on right now. I'm gonna move it here. Orientation lock, I hate it. So we are currently, this is, I believe, the NAM 3 kilometer model. I need to zoom in. I am all discombobulated here. there. Here. Gonna zoom into the north central area. As you can see there, we have that starts, and then we have the storm that starts there and goes through there. So it's really not supposed to be that bad of a storm, but I mean, biggest storm of the year so far. So that stuff. That will be the main part of it. For that, so a lot of it coming out. I was finding it funny that actually they put on the snow forecast. So one of the local channels around here actually put for whoa, that changed. For an actual amount of the snow, 6 to 12 inches snow. Now, I don't know if you guys know simple maths, but that is 1 inch. That is half a foot of snow of difference. Now, if I was a weather company and I said, "Oh, there could be a foot of snow difference," I wouldn't be very trusty. Okay, so currently, this is actually a pretty good of a surprise. I did not expect this. Now this the National Weather Services model here. Is that loading in? I cannot see that. Oh, so that's light blue. It means 12 to 15 inches of snow. I am not joking. I am at the 50 percentile. So this is the most likely outcome from the National Weather Service. But if you live around here, you know that the National Weather Service has not been competent recently. So you know what could happen. Now, I don't want to freak you guys out, but I could hit this 95 percentile model. And it just spreads it out. I actually thought it would do more. It's interesting. Yeah, so basically, there. It's actually not what I was thinking of. That actually says 10 to 12, excuse me. I don't know, yeah. So this area is right here where you see my finger is, if we can hopefully see where my finger is. That is 8 to 10 inches, and then this area is 10 to 12 inches. So if you live by Eau Claire, you'll probably get 6 to 8 inches currently, but if you are in North Green Bay, probably could see up to, I messed it up there, you could see up to maybe a foot of snow, according to this model, but I'm just going to say it has a little bit of a reputation of being kind of a bad model. You guys can see this. Can I do something here? That might help, or it might not. Probably not. That one is saying 12 to 15, so if you live in North Green Bay, possibly we could have this, and then, yeah. So yeah, I am expecting probably 7 to 10 inches. I'm going to set this back down here. I'm expecting that, and you know, it's just funny, I think, so that's funny. I want to see if maybe the Euro model updated, but I don't think it did for that. Should I turn my weather radio back on? It's your guys' decision. It's pretty loud. Oh, we got 3 viewers. That's great. I'll show you this soon. Let me just get it up. Wind speed. This will be actually pretty good. Okay, this is in miles an hour. We have currently this. If you look here, this is. Sorry, I'm gonna have to scroll down here. This is Wednesday at 7 a.m., so this is just 2 hours before the storm. It's out here. 18, some areas to see 18 to 24 mile per hour winds. That's very windy, if you would see that. Does this? No, it doesn't do that. Okay, so if you look here, this is if we go back, you can kind of see these winds kind of weaken, but they don't weaken that much. So they obviously get stronger as we go through the day. So this was the latest one from the Euro model. It didn't really say, it didn't put as much as it was putting out, so that's the wrong thing. My life in a nutshell. Let's go here. Snow depth. This is at, so this is not like the one we're watching right now. So this is at 10 a.m. tomorrow. You can really see that snow cover start to pack in there. It keeps packing in there until it just kind of goes there and keeps going, and we can see it up to roughly around 7 inches. This one says 7 to 8 inches. I think somewhere between 8 or 9 probably. I'm not sure though. That's basically what I think will happen. So yeah, that's basically a lot of it. What else could I show you that would be useful? There's really not much there, so yeah. Not much there for that, but there's not really a lot of stuff that I could talk about right now. Could go through the meta scale. HRR model, still not much. I'm gonna set the camera down by so you guys can actually see outside. Now it does look like it's gonna be pretty dark out there. If you look out there, it kind of looks like it's getting a little bit darker. In here, obviously it does kind of look like we are going to be hit by a storm. Here, I'm gonna turn my weather radio down and I will actually put it back on. I'm not gonna put it like blaring loud. There. So yeah. Let's look at it again. Just going on. If you guys are wondering what's gonna happen in school, like my mom said, they did post on Facebook saying that they are looking at alternatives instead of having school on Monday in June. And obviously school is going to end on a Friday, so I don't want to go to school on Monday if it's that. So yeah, not much going on in my life right now, but there is stuff going on Thursday and Friday. I get to go to the state geography bee on Friday, so yeah, I get to drive down to Madison. That's going to be fun. I mean, get a little break from the snow and stuff before that. So yeah. Well, there hasn't been much right now, just kind of watching the storm, getting out there and stuff. So yeah. Always likes to do that. So yeah. I hopefully might upload another time today, but I'm not sure. Tomorrow morning, expect a video. If we have school, but I don't really know if we're going to have school from this. Yeah. So basically, it's on from here. If we get any, I'll be talk about it. Stuff. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for tuning in. And yeah, see some of you guys tomorrow, but I'm not sure. Depends if we have school or not. Maybe on Wednesday. Bye guys. Thank you for watching this live stream, and I'll hopefully be back tomorrow.